Three people charged with election law violations made their first court appearances this morning.
And two of those people are elected officials in Sullivan County. The Tennessee Bureau of Investigation said John Harrison, who is a Bluff City alderman, and Sherry Grubb, who is a Sullivan County commissioner, were in this case cited. Also cited Brooke Morrell, and they all face counts of election law violation stemming from the May municipal election in Bluff City. Elizabeth Kubel was in court for their first appearances before a judge early this morning. And Elizabeth, you found out this is prompting a Bluff City alderman, another one, to request a major change.
That's right, Josh. Also in that Bristol courtroom this morning, a Bluff City alderwoman who told me after that hearing she wants the man she serves alongside, John Harrison, to resign. In a Bristol courtroom Monday morning,
let's see, Brooke Morrell.
These three people charged with election law violation appeared before a judge for the first time in the case. It comes after a TBI investigation revealed Bluff City Alderman John Harrison, Sullivan County Commissioner Sherry Grubb, and Brooke Morrell walked into a polling area without the intention of casting a ballot. Now each of them face one count of election law violation stemming from the Bluff City municipal election back in May.
People are coming to me and they want another election because what's going on is not right. We just got to stand for the people, and we're hoping that we can have another election.
Current Bluff City Alderwoman Sandra Madison was also in the courtroom Monday. She's calling for John Harrison's resignation.
John Harrison needs to be out for the board. And I hope I have some people on the board that stand with me and agree with me.
News Channel 11 spoke to Sullivan County Commissioner Sherry Grubb Friday. She told us she went into City Hall to ask her sister an important question about work, which is why she says this case has gotten out of hand.
Personally, I feel like this has been a waste of taxpayer money, and it's been a waste of the TBI's time to have to be pulled off of very serious cases.
And today, Sullivan County Mayor Richard Venable told us, quote, "As I understand the charge, it is a misdemeanor, and that would no way affect the operation of the county commission, as it's a personal matter." Harrison, Grubb, and Morrell are all due back in court October 11th. Elizabeth Kubel, News Channel 11, in your corner.
Two of those charged in this TBI case face charges in two separate cases. John Harrison is charged with domestic assault, stemming from an incident that happened last month. In court today, he was served 3 temporary orders of protection filed by 2 of his brothers and a sister-in-law. And in May of last year, Sullivan County District Attorney General Barry Staubas confirmed Brooke Morrell. She was arrested on charges of aggravated rape and sexual battery of a child.